Okay, can you read this one?
Front.
Front, very good. Another 2 boxes. You can move 2 boxes for you. Very good. Okay, next.
Front and palm line at a point.
Okay, front and palm are at a point. Okay, very good. 1, 2. Okay, next.
They said with a swan.
They can see a swan. Okay, another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, this one.
They said a
See.
swan a swan in the pond.
They can see a swan in the pond. Very good. 1, 2. Okay, next. You can read this one.
Let's read.
Let's swim. Very good. So you have crossed the finish line. You can ask your mom to get 2 ringgit because you can read all the words